We can't imagine the world without e-commerce giant Amazon. It all started with one decision. Jeff Bezos made a decision to quit his corporate job in 1994. His one right decision changed the course of the entire world. Similarly, the world wouldn't have seen the glory of Tesla and SpaceX if Elon Musk hadn't decided to go for the fourth launch after 3 consecutive failed launches of SpaceX. Now let's discuss the secrets behind decision making of successful people. Number 1. We should take decisions in an emotionally calm and composed state. We should not make a decision when we are extremely happy or extremely sad. Number 2. We should learn from our past decisions and mistakes so that we can improve our decision making skills. Number 3. We should take advice from successful and experienced people only. For instance, if you want advice related to your health, you should go to a person who is physically fit and healthy. Similarly, if you want advice related to your finances, you should consult a person who is financially stable. And lastly, if you want advice related to your relationships, you should go to a person who has healthy relationships. Number 4, we should avoid taking advice from irrelevant and unsuccessful people. If you cannot avoid them, just ignore their advice. Otherwise, you will end up making a bad decision. Number 5, we should write the pros and cons of a decision. If we are ready for the outcome, we should take a decision. Otherwise, we shouldn't. Number 6, we should make decisions quite often. Decision making is like an exercise. The more you do it, the better it gets. A person who takes 100 decisions in 1 year is 100 years more experienced than the one who takes only one decision. If you ask successful people about the secret of their life, they'd probably tell you that they had made more poor decisions than you have. As Thomas Edison said, every wrong attempt discarded is another step forward. Number 7, we should recognize our empowering beliefs and make decisions based on those beliefs. We can identify our empowering beliefs by questioning our beliefs and observing our unconscious behaviors. Last but not the least, we should avoid indecision and procrastination. As Napoleon Hill said, indecision and procrastination are the major causes of failure in life. On the other hand, success is the result of good judgment. A good judgment is a result of experience, and experience is often the result of bad judgment. So, we should make decisions more often. Now let's discuss about a winning decision making process. This process has 5 steps. Number 1, truly decide what you want. Number 2, take a committed action. Number 3, notice what's working and what's not for you. Number 4, change your approach until you achieve what you desire. Number 5, learn from your mistakes and improve them. As Tony Robbins said, as long as you are truly committed to make something happen, the how will reveal itself. All this knowledge is useless until you decide to use it. Prove it to yourself that you have decided now. Make a decision that you have been putting off for days, weeks, or even months, so that you can change your destiny and your life now.